Day 3.
8:30 in the morning.
Wow.
That's it. 8:30.
Yeah, they got here at 7, right? 7. Still a big ledge, but it's getting much better. Thanks for Alex for starting it off by cutting the trees. Got 4 guys working today.
Now we get the kids off.
He's got a lot to move, that guy. Look at this one right here. Grabbing and go. Wow. Ooh, that's the part where I thought tip action. Yeah. He's safe though. They've been doing it long enough.